Let's take a video.
You're gonna lose, little girl.
I'm taller than you.
You're gonna lose, little girl. Well, then, big girl, I mean. Okay, that sounds wrong. But
That's not. Either way, you can't even say any of those things to a girl. Actually, you can say little girl. Oh my god.
in your face, little girl. Well, in this game, you're a little girl, okay? I put up the bridge. It's cool when you get to jump.
I know. The bridge didn't go up. It went on my screen.
Little
Cause.
girls seem to lose. So be ready to lose, boys.
Okay.
YouTube, I'm sorry you have to see her being horrible at this game.
Let's see if I can make it. Boom! Aw. Messed up.
You suck, Corey.
Hey. You know what? If this was what's it called? Second called Midnight Club, I would have beat you. Oh shit.
No way.
Yeah.
Oh crap.
Get out of my way. I hate all you people that live in this city.
We live in Chicago.
Hate you, Chicago. Space Monkey City.
It's the best city in the world.
You know Space Monkey actually lives in Chicago?
Really?
Yeah, he does. Did you know that?
I might be going to the Chicago football thing tomorrow. I might. I don't know. It's up to my parents. I want to, but it's like up to them, so I don't know.
Get the freak out of my way.
He broke my door. Or I'm not even partially driving. I'm just like cruising.
I haven't played any space racing games in a long time.
I'm gonna wait for you to catch up to me. So I'm just like, I don't even have my finger on the trigger. It's just still making me go. Let's go.
Yeah, that's right. Get out of my way.
I'm coming back. Did I get you?
No.
Dang it. I sound like the wrong stuff. Did I get you? No. Did I get you? No.
No.
Remember? Did I get you?
Oh, I think you got me that time.
I'm going on the bridge for a mega jump. Yeah! At the end, when I'm like totally doing my finishing thing, I'm just gonna drift. Trigger. Remember in Major Pain? Go without me!
You know what?
Trigger.
You guys, I'm better at driving in GTA and Need for Speed, Midnight Club, but in this game, I cannot drive at all. I don't know why.
I'm just better than him. Boy, hit me. Ah!
Boom!
You wrecked my vehicle just with that.
Look at mine! Oh my god. I went through a lot today.
Hey guys.
Oh my god, no.
Oh, you made me fall. Let's shoot the people. Wait, what are you? Let's see what you are. You're hypo.
Do you want to shoot people then?
You're hypoglycemic.
Want to shoot people then?
Yeah, let's go shoot people. Let's shoot the cars.
I don't have that much of a gun.
Don't you dare call
Hey Nick, tomorrow, do you want to play Watch Dogs again?
Heck yeah.
Watch
We're just shooting all these people. We're going on rampages.
Let's take the car. You drive. You drive. You're a better driver.
Dude, boy, dude. No. We'll take the car next time.
Dude, do free roam.
I can't until I finish the game.
Oh yeah. I'll try and finish the game. Okay.
Okay, yeah, I'm only on Act 2. I like finished 6 missions today. I'm trying to get to Act 3 and then Act
Oh, I'm
4
still
and
in
then
Act
stop.
1.
Yeah, there's like 5 acts, dude. And then there's like
Okay, because
60 some missions.
I think I'm on the
There's
third
60
one.
some missions, dude.
Okay.
Yeah, there's like 6 missions in the first, 15 in the second, which equals like 21, and then there's like 30 more missions.
Dude, I didn't know you're
There's
gonna.
like around 50.
I didn't know you're gonna win.
No, I suck on motorcycles.
Oh.
I usually try. Don't mess up, Nick. Don't mess up. Yeah! Yeah!
Yeah.
No. Imagine one of us just crash on each other.
That'd be
I'm
fun.
actually doing pretty good.
I know, because I said I don't. Well, I'm only gonna.
I'm not good with motorcycles. But I'm also not going that fast.
My back
Nice
hurts.
and tiny. Well, now
I don't really
need
drive
more
dirt bikes. I drive like actual motorcycle.
I hate the dirt bikes. They're so slow.
I know. How did I not? What?
Yeah, these dirt bikes are always going slow.
I know. I'm only good with motorcycles, not dirt bikes. I don't know if dirt bikes are the same thing, but it's like it's weird.
Roy, okay, I'm gonna wait for you. So you
Okay.
gotta jump off these rockers and hit me. And then what's gonna fall off.
I have to hit you.
Yeah, hit me. Jump
Okay.
off.
Oh shoot! I missed.
You suck.
Hold on. Do it again.
No, I'm gonna hit you. Oh, run.
I should have flew off. How is
It's
that?
harder. It's harder. Oh my gosh. That's so bad.
I can't believe I made that.
I'm gonna come back to beat you.
Well, I might hit something, so it'll slow me down like
I'm
that,
watching you, boys.
and
Oh,
like that.
God.
I told you.
Oh gosh, I almost fell off.
See, it's kind of. This is why I also hate.
I'm going like the wrong way. I just like went off track sometimes.
Well, woo!
I see you guys. I'm watching this. I see you. Oh,
I'm a reckless
My
driver.
brother was taking me to Genghis girl tomorrow.
Nice.
Yeah.
Oh, I flew. Did you see that?
Yeah, I'm watching you.
I thought I was Super Saiyan.
Driving.
I thought I was Super
Saiyan.
Saiyan.
Want to be my friend?
I thought it was Superman.
Tell me about Superman. Oh, wait. Oh, do you know they're making the Star Wars Battlefront 3?
No.
Are you going to get it?
Yeah.
Well, now that you know? Because you didn't know before?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, now I'm so slow. Hey, Corey.
Hey, girl. Oh, shoot. You almost ran me in a tree. You jerk. Dude, when we finish the game, we're going to do a series. Well, yeah.
Like, I know. We're going to do the
Watch Dogs series.
Yay.
Oh my goodness.
Yay. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't believe I made that. Ninja. Right there. Ninja.
Shoot.
Hi, Corey. I passed you.
I went the wrong way.
Remember from Lego Movie? Hi, Patty.
Spaceship. I can't say that fast. I wonder how he says that so fast without messing up.
I can do it.
No, you have to say it like really, really fast, like how he says it.
Hit me, boy. Hit me, baby, one more time. You're trying to make it precise on purpose.
I know.
It wasn't as good as directing the... I hope you crash.
Oh.
Woo! That would be funnier. I'm gonna snipe you.
Do it. Oh my god.
I made it. I can't believe I made it. Let's go for with car.
Okay.
Jump right in front of it. Okay. Get in, boys.
Okay. Watch as
wonder
I
if you can
shoot
start
someone.
shooting. I wonder if you can start shooting. Yes, you can.
Ah, come on, no. Did you just seriously do that?
Yes. Oh my gosh, I got a headshot while the person was driving. I'll be right back.
Okay. Okay, you guys, I think that'll be the last episode. Until tomorrow when we play Watch Dogs again. And hold on. Goodbye. Wait, Nick, say goodbye to YouTube.
So this is my last round.
Okay, say goodbye
Bye,
though.
YouTube. 'cause I
Goodbye,
got the red light in the
people.
morning.